Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Whiskey Wednesday. I have whiskey. Okay, last night I did pantry cooking, also known as comfort food. Shake and baked pork chops, a mystery box of rice-a-roni, and creamed corn. Yes! Yummy! Simple, basically quick, no prep, but a fun, great meal. Today, we're going to do something a little different. Today is BLDs. I'll explain. Bacon, tomato, DaniGreens. Basically, what I'm trying to say is bacon tacos. Yes. Robert and I are going to have bacon tacos tonight. Yes. On a side note, if you have not seen my post, Monday and last night I had 2 interviews. Monday, I had an interview with a reporter from the Appeal Democrat, the local newspaper here in the Yuba Sutter area. She is a member of Casual Chef's Kitchen. And she's been following my adventure for some time. And she thought it was a great idea for a story. And her editor agreed. So we sat down for about 2 hours here in my home and discussed many things, to include Casual Chef's Kitchen. And the article will come out either this quarter or the next quarter in the Prospect magazine that the Appeal Democrat publishes. Last night, I teamed up with some longtime friends from the Sacktown Insider to do an interview via Zoom on Casual Chef's Kitchen and the Casual Chef Young People's Cooking Series. So, that will air next Wednesday, a week from today, on Access Sacramento. Now, when these articles appear, I will do my best to share them with you, the members of Casual Chef's Kitchen. So, let's take a look. There's some hardware for the bacon. We got DaniGreens here. Danny was gracious enough to provide me with some mixed shoots and sprouts. We got bacon, tomato, and we're going to go with baby tortillas, hence the tacos. A very simple meal for today, but it's going to be yummy. Enjoy your day. Have some whiskey if you like. Eat great food and have fun cooking.
Phenomena.